Hello, welcome back to another episode of Tax-Exempt Millionaire Club. I'm your host, Jane. Today is a special edition. I always want to do some program like that. Just sit down and chat with myself or my audience. I want to chat about this week. I call this field service because I'm in Georgia. We bought a portfolio of one mobile home park, mobile homes on land, a piece of land, several single properties in west of Georgia near Atlanta. I want to share with you what to expect, like a day as a real estate investor. So the whole week, there's a couple of goals: talking to the tenant, communication, and get all the arrears paid, which I know will not be possible. But I'm talking to them one by one because everybody's situation is a little different. Friday, I have a court hearing, and she was a good tenant. Then she started attracting really bad visitors. So we gave out notice, and they all know how to play the game. In July, she did not pay. We filed eviction, and this Friday is the court date. In the state of Georgia, it will take roughly somewhere between 30 to 45 days from the day you file the eviction. It really depends on the court date. Sometimes you can get the court dates pretty fast. Sometimes you have to wait a little bit. But in general, Georgia is a pretty landlord-friendly state. We have a city violation. I had to go to the city and talk to her since I did communicate with her over the phone. We need to resolve the issue they pointed out, which is the general maintenance. We have a tear down trailer sitting there for quite some time. So they're giving us the violation. On top of that, we have four empty trailers plus single families. We are renovating them. One particular trailer is a double wide. The tenant left a mountains of trash, all kinds of different structures, doghouse, a broken down utility trailer, the shed. It's a mountain full. It is so much stuff and it is so heavy. The whole shed, the back of the shed is all sank down to the ground. If you look at from the side, it's all twicked. And we have already been cleaning, and I hope to wrap that up before I head back to my home. In addition, there's miscellaneous stuff. We want to get a sense and get the trailer to the rent-ready status, put the working stove, working refrigerator there. In addition, I'm assembling a new team because I'm out of state. So I am talking to different people to figure out their strengths, why they want to help us, if they are motivated. I think I mentioned this many times. In our BOLD bold method, the L is the leverage. It is really to leverage other people's time. We are having a significant turnaround. We're still in the process of turnaround. We are getting all the potential tenant, and then we get to the actual tenant who will stay with us. And then the good tenant we keep, and the bad tenant, either they left on their own course or we take them out for variety of reasons. As you can see, real estate investing, the money is never a passive income. Even you hire a property management company, there's still the work to manage the management company. I emphasize this many occasions. Real estate still one of the best tax strategies every one of us could utilize to get to the financial freedom. I think learn how to invest in real estate, pick up your asset class, figure out what's you're good at, what you want to do, what you don't want to do, which is also important. The journey of wealth accumulation is really like climbing the mountains. You really need to put all your gears, equip yourself, do self improvement, and really climb up. That's the process you are accumulating wealth. When you want to calm down, that's where you will not have the strength to deal with all kinds of tenants, all kinds of property management headaches. You winding down a little bit in your older adult life. Oh, by the way, we also did the septic. I have to put the mask because the smell was so bad. I actually, this is the first time we did pump few septic the last couple of years, but this is the first time I happened to be in town. So this is the first time I observed it. So another fun activity in my real estate journey. So that's all I prepare for you today. I wish you like this style. I always enjoy this kind of chatting format instead of lecturing or sharing inspirational speech. I want to be myself in front of the camera, although it has been hard. I never liked looking at myself, listening to my speech, and I had to force myself edit the video. But now the video editing is so much better with the AI technology. Anyway, this is a chatting episode. I hope you like the style. Feel free to like, comments, and subscribe to our channel so you will not miss any of our future episodes. This is the QR code of Tax-Exempt Millionaire Club at School Community. Feel free to join there, and I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for coming. I will see you next time. Bye bye.